There's something about the sound of the engine, the dust kicking up behind you, that reminds you why you started. Riding a dirt bike isn't just a sport, it's freedom, precision, and pure adrenaline. But behind every jump and every turn, there's something else: skill. So if you're getting started, here are 3 tips that could make a huge difference. Tip 1. Body position is everything. Stand on your pegs, elbows out. Your body is your best suspension. Tip 2. Look where you want to go. Don't look just ahead. Look beyond the curve. Your eyes lead your direction and your safety. Tip 3. Control the throttle. Don't let it control you. It's not always about going fast. It's about knowing when and how to use power. Every time I ride, I remember why this lifestyle is worth every second, every scratch, and every missed corner.